Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to incorporate your text to the music. So maybe some of you are missing your text, some of you are missing your music. The first step that we're going to do is create our music. Now we need to decide if we want to use a 4/4, 3/4, or 2/4 time signature. I'm going to go and write a 4/4 just because I'm going to have more options. On this left side, I have a chart of all of my notes and the reds and how many beats they have in total. So I'm going to go ahead and just first start by doing a whole note. Now notice here my time signature is 4/4 because that means that I'm going to have 4 beats per measure. So in this case, a whole note equals 4 beats, so I'm done with my first measure. Second measure, I'm going to add a whole note, which is 2, and another whole note, which is 2. There you have 4. I'm going to go ahead and now add a quarter note, another quarter note, and here I'm going to add a half rest, which is 2 beats. Okay, so we have 2 and 2, 4. I'm going to start this measure with a quarter rest, and then go ahead and do a half note and a quarter note. So notice how the stem, whenever I write the note, the stem goes down. Once I start writing from the third line and above, the stem is going to go down. So all the notes I'm going to write above, the stem goes down to the left side. If it's under the third line, the stem goes above onto the right side. Alright, so I'm just going to go move a little bit faster now. Alright, I'm going to stop there for now. Now that you have your music, you're going to go with your text. You want to make sure that you separate your words per syllables because we're going to incorporate one syllable per note. One syllable per note. I miss school. Oh, and here you see that I already separated the words that I have 2 syllables. So I'm going to go here and write for my first note the first word and just write I. Miss is 1 syllable, so that will be for this note. Miss. School is 2 syllables, so the first syllable goes here, the dash. So see, school. I. Obviously, if you have a rest, you're not going to write anything underneath. Don't get. Don't get to make music, and so on. I miss school. I rest. Don't get to make music. Alright, so ideally I wouldn't have a rest here just because I want to make sure that a word it's not separated by a rest. And that's how pretty much you go on. You continue writing more music and you fill out your words into the text. Alright, looks good. Make sure you do have your chart of notes and rests. Time signature is very important to determine at the beginning, and having your text and separate it into syllables.